Yes, he is just putting the form, indicating that should give way. The traffic light is on right now. Hello, the president has moved the truck. Yes, the president has demonstrated.
Yes, Sierra Leone and His Excellency now in the drive, so now in the first drive the truck there, the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone. Now in the move the truck, so now as you see Sierra Leoneans, the President is driving. The President is driving the truck. Yes, the President is driving the truck as you see. His Excellency, the President. Yes, as Sierra Leone as you see, the president is a real man. He can do all things. President Bio can do any kind of thing so far, my fellow Sierra Leoneans. Yes, now he don't drive the truck, now he don't come pack and back safely. Yes.
Your Excellency, thank you very much. As you arrive the truck. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give His Excellency a very big hand. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This is talk and do. The driver back. In the house, I don't know the driver back.
Check it, talk and do.